guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video of festive series. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick review of shower gels from Body Shop. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Not just only we should take care of the skin of our face, but also of our body, and hence today's video is dedicated to shower gels. The first shower gel that I have with me is the British Rose from Body Shop, and the next one is Satsuma, and each one of this contains 250 ml and each of this retails for rupees 345. Now this is affordable price considering the quantity, and also let me tell you that I think the shower gels are only affordable products from the Body Shop range, because the rest of their products are a little expensive. If you are a vegetarian, let me tell you that these are vegetarian products and also no animal testing is done. But if you are a vegan, then you should avoid this because these are not vegan products. First things first, we already talked about the pricing. Now let's talk about the packaging. This comes in this plastic packaging, and the quality of the plastic is not cheap, it's so-so. These are soap-free cleansers, and they say that this one, the British Rose one, this is with essence of hand-picked roses from Britain. And this one, the Satsuma one, this is that with cold press Satsuma essence. This has got that zesty citrusy scent to it, and this has of course got the scent of roses. Let's talk about the ingredients. Both of this contains colors in it. Both of this contains fragrances. Of course, there will be surfactants because this is a cleanser, so surfactants are also there. This also has essential oil in it. I don't mind fragrances or essential oils in my body care product, and that too, which is wash off product. As you can see, I have almost used up 75 to 80% of this, and this one I have almost used 30% of this. So that's all in my today's video. If you like this quick review sort of videos, give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell icon, and I will meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.